In this video, we will see some kind of tuple operation. I am cutting here video because I have to type many things here. So these are some most used operations we perform on tuple. So first is count. So as we saw in list also that count is returning number of how many time element occurring in a iterable 1 5 4 2 comma 1. So if I want to count how many times 1 is in this tuple, so just s dot count 1, so it will count how many time 1 in this tuple. So we can see 1 is 2 time in this tuple, so it will be 2, so it is 2. So now index, so it will return index of any of first occurring value. So if I want to find at which index 1 is, so if s dot index just pass value 1, so it is returning 0. Why it is not returning 0 1 2 3 4? Why it not returning index of this one? It is returning this value of this one. So actually it return the index of first occurring element, not the subsequent element. So if I want to know the index of 5, so what it will return? It will return first occurring 5 in this tuple. So where is 5? 0 and 1. So it will return 1. So now, so iterate our tuple. So iterate our tuple iteration, iter on it. So now s is this, so now for I n s we can perform operations on it as well. So print, I am just using print utilities to print as. So print I into 2, slow I power 2. So it is returning the power of all the element in tuple. So now concatenation. So we can concatenate the string as well, to tuple as well. In at this stage, many newcomer concatenation. So newcomer confused why we can concatenate two tuple as it is not mutable. So as we are able to concatenate two string, so and it is also immutable. So are why we do not have access to concatenate tuple as well. So as you can see, there is a plus sign between two string, and adding two string is called concatenation. As well as we can concatenate two tuple as well, 1 comma 2 comma 3 plus a comma b comma c, a comma b. So we can concatenate tuple as well. So here you can see it is 1 comma 2 comma 3 a comma b. So does it support append method? No, it does not support any append method because a tuple is immutable. So here you can see that I added this tuple to this tuple, and it has changed. So it is not changed. It is actually new tuple. Like A is 1 comma 2 comma 3. I am copying it. How to copy it? This is A, and B is tuple of A comma B. A comma B, A comma B, and then A plus B is new tuple. As you can now you can check A, so it is not changed, but it is returning new tuple. And if we say that we want to append tuple A, so it is actually changing its value. It's changing its length, so it is not possible because it is designed as this. To change the value, use list data structure here, but in some cases we need tuple data structure, and for using its capability to note, in any case it will not change its value. So we saw concatenation. Now if we type interchanging of data structure, type changing of data structure, changing of data structure, we can change a tuple to list, list to tuple, list to string, list to string to list, anything, just using the functions. Just use functions like this. You can string of this, you can use list, and you can use tuple to change any type of data structure. Like if I want to change, I am making it marked down. Like I want to change list. My I have a list 1 2 3, 1 comma 2 comma 3, and I want to change. So just pass a tuple is equal to parenthesis and pass L. So what it will be? So it will be a list because it is passing. Just check what is T. T is actually list because it doesn't support size of 1. It is size of 1. It is considered as one element of T. So it is not possible. So how we can do this? So using tuple function, tuple, using tuple function we can passing L. Now it is tuple. It iterated through this and added in tuple and created the tuple. So we created tuple using tuple function. So can we, sorry, now my battery is low. So I connected to charger. So can we change tuple to list? Yeah, we can change. So just list is equal to list. Just use a function list. Want to change in list, so use list function. Want to change in string, use a string function. Want to change in tuple, use tuple function. Want to change in dictionary, use list function. Just do this and you will get your desired output. So LL is list of T. Now check what is LL. It is again list. Can we change string into tuple? So my string is STH RIP, and I want to change it into tuple. So T is equal to now tuple, TUPLE tuple, and ST. So now T is RIP. T is RIP. Okay. Now can we change tuple into string? Let's check. T is tuple. Now str of tuple T. Okay, so it has converted this it this is one string. Size of string s is equal to I am assigning to s. So it is actually a string. It has converted, not it created RIP. It just print it. I am want to print as, so you will better understand. So it is a string, and strings first character is, just check first character is braces. Sorry, round bracket. So it convert like this. So can we change list into a string like 1 comma 2? Yes, we can change, but take care that it will change like this, str of l. So check this, this changed, it has changed. Now I think this is enough. You have understood all the type changing of data structures and some tuple operations. So thanks for watching this video. In next video we will cover dictionary, or I will create a new playlist of dictionary on this on that dictionary, on this on that folder. I will create some videos on dictionary in Python. So thanks for watching. We will meet you next time.